Hi there, students. Culprit. The culprit, a person. I guess culpable, a related adjective as well. Okay, the culprit is the person who is to blame, the person who's done something wrong. So the police hope to find the culprit, the person who did this crime, the criminal, the crook, the offender, the perpetrator, the wrongdoer. Yeah, the teacher asks the culprit to come forward. So it's a person who has committed a crime or done something wrong. You can also actually use it for people as well. The culprit would be the source or the cause of a problem. So lack of exercise and poor diet are the main culprits for heart disease. Um, yeah, the company went bankrupt, but the real culprit was the bank who refused to lend them money on reasonable terms. Okay, maybe. Okay, so the culprit, the person charged or guilty of an offence, of a crime. Yeah, in court, the culprit, the defendant. So the real culprit for this fight has not yet been found. As soon as I saw that the money had been stolen, I immediately knew who the culprit was. The culprit, the person to blame, or the thing that causes the trouble. The culprit for my bad stomach was a microorganism that had contaminated the food. Maybe the culprit was E. coli. Yeah. This is the culprit. My computer's not working properly. Let's see if I can find the culprit for this. Okay, the thing that is causing it, the the thing that is stimulating it. So a person or a thing at fault for a problem or a crime. Let's see, there was a loose screw within the mechanism, and I think that was the culprit for the noise that was being made. So if I tighten it, this should work properly now. Okay. Notice in English, one of the mistakes students often make, or I hear, is the responsible for the damage. And in English, responsible is only an adjective, responsibility, but you can't have a person the responsible. The word you need is the culprit. Yeah, the person who is culpable. Yeah, they deserve condemnation for doing something wrong. Yeah, they are worthy of blame. Okay, so the culprit, the person who has done something wrong. Okay, so culprit, how formal is this? I think I would give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use this almost anywhere. And then this word culprit, it comes, well, originally from Latin, culpare, to blame somebody, or culpa, fault, crime, mistake, from culpare, to blame. And I think actually it comes through French, culprit, because it's a contraction of culpable est. From Anglo-Norman, and that's been reduced into culprit. Okay, so the culprit, the person responsible for doing something. Yeah, we're always looking for culprits for our woes, yeah, for the things that are wrong. The police located the culprits. Yeah, the culprit for this problem is that the job was badly done in the first place. Yeah, they're looking for a culprit in this disaster in Florida where the building collapsed. They say that the culprit is to do with the foundations, but they're also looking for a person, a culprit to blame and probably to take to trial as well. So there you go, a culprit, the person who's responsible for doing something wrong or bad. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The Culprit.